Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to dub content on elevenlabs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website here, elevenlabs.io/r/home. Sign in and you'll be brought to a page like this. Just scroll and choose this option, the right option here, dub video. You can click on it, and once you click on it, it would bring you to a page like this, and you can create a dub of your of any video across 29 languages. So all you have to do is to click on create a new dub. You would create video and then choose your audio dubs. So let's go ahead and click on create new dub. So it brings you to a page like this. You can name your project. Let me save, and you'll be able to choose the source language. Let's say it's English, and the target language, which is the voice you want the new audio to be dubbed in. Let's choose Chinese. You can choose any language of your choice here. So once we've chosen that, we can now input our audio or video source. Remember that we can use both video and audio here. So either we upload our file here from our personal system, which can be up to 1000 MB or 1 gig or 45 minutes long. So once you've done this, you can once you've uploaded, you can now click on create dubbing project, and then you can click on this create dub. You can also add from other sources like YouTube, TikTok, other URLs, or manual. So this is how to dub your content properly on elevenlabs. Thank you very much, and do have a great day. If this video has been helpful to you, let me know in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.